Navkar Systems is bringing you in another new product, EcoSense smoke alarm. It's a photoelectric sensor and it's with the modernized design with self-test function. This button having a 9-volt battery on the back side and a very accurate smoke sensor. Uh, like this smoke sensor is used to detect the smoke if there is any fire, smoke due to fire. It gives you a standalone alarm. It has a small siren inside, and to test the sensor, you don't have to use incense or a dhoop batti. You better test it with some spray or with the help of lighting a cigarette. But I don't suggest you to smoke it. You can use it for just testing only. Um, and it comes with the again the screws and the plastic grips and the manual. The complete system is there, and you can mount it on the ceiling. The mount is there. You can mount it upside like this on the ceiling, and the complete instructions are given in the manual, and it comes with 6 months of warranty. So, complete product, a branded product, a branded smoke detector from the car systems. Thanks for watching.